No finish line, just freedom. There is a rhythm to riding that only the wild can teach you. We weren't chasing medals or records, but just a solid ride and solid gear that could handle the madness. Out here, every trail tells its own story, and what you carry becomes part of the journey. A hydration backpack for the thirsty miles ahead. A saddle bag that stays dry when the clouds roll in. A frame bag to hold the tools that keep you moving. Each piece being placed with purpose. The top tube bag will be your mid-ride lifesaver. The saddle dry bags holding what you can't leave behind, yet never getting in the way of where you're going. Every zip, every strap, every pocket, designed for moments like these. You forget the gear is even there until you need it, and then it's exactly where it should be. That's the thing about cycling. You come for the ride, but you stay for everything else. The sun, the wind, the sting, the stories. One ride, 1,000 moments. And now we have got the gear to go even further. ViaTerra's Cycling Collection, top tube bags, saddle and frame dry bags, hydration packs and more. Made for real rides, built to last.